Raita is an essential part of every meal, so I am showing you 6 types of raita today. Let's prepare the common ingredients first. Take some curd in a bowl, whisk it to make it smooth. Now take some common spices, salt, chaat masala, roasted cumin seeds, red chili and black pepper. The first one is potato raita. Take a boiled potato, peel it and crush it to small pieces. Now take some mint leaves and finely chop them. Now add these mint leaves. Now add salt to your taste, roasted cumin seeds, chaat masala and red chili flakes. You can put fresh green chili instead of red chili flakes. Then add plain yogurt. Mix it evenly and the potato raita is ready. Garnish it with mint leaves. The second one is pineapple raita. Chop the pineapple in the shape of your choice and add it to the bowl. Now add yogurt and mix it evenly. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add some sugar. And the pineapple raita is ready. Garnish it with pomegranate. The third one is cucumber raita. Grate the cucumber and add it to the bowl. Now add salt to your taste and black pepper. Add yogurt and mix it evenly. Sprinkle some roasted cumin seeds and the cucumber raita is ready. Garnish it with coriander leaves. The fourth one is bundi raita. Take some masala bundi or plain bundi according to your preference. Add salt and roasted cumin seeds. Then add yogurt and mix it evenly. And the bundi raita is ready. Garnish it with roasted cumin seeds. The fifth one is a pumpkin raita. Take an orangish ripe pumpkin, peel it and chop it into small pieces and then boil it. The pumpkin has softened, so take it in the bowl and mash it. You can use a whisk or a blender if you have more quantity. Make sure that there are no lumps in it. Add salt, red chili and cumin powder. Add yogurt and mix it evenly. And the pumpkin raita is ready. Garnish it with roasted cumin powder. The sixth one is bottle gourd lauki raita. Take a lauki, peel it and grate it. Then boil it to soften it. Don't have to squeeze out the water from the lauki before using. Once it cools down, take some lauki in a bowl. Add salt to your taste, red chili flakes, cumin powder and chaat masala. Add green chili if you like more spicy. Then add yogurt and mix it evenly. And the lauki ka raita is ready. Garnish it with green chili. Each one of them have a different flavor. Enjoy eating them.